Ready, 1, 2, 3, start.
Good morning everyone. My name is Kedarnath. I am studying in third standard. Today my topic is number line. Observe the following number and line and answer. This is number line: 300, 350, 400, 450, 500, 550, 600, 650, 700, 750, 800, 850, 900. The number between 550 and 650 is 600. 450 is between 400 and 500. The number after 650 is 700. The number before 400 is 350. 700 is towards the right side of 450. 500 is towards the left side of 850. Thank you.